Okay, and then how does regenerative shockwave therapy, how can it help you? So what it does is it helps to stimulate the body's natural healing, and it enhances blood flow and improves your circulation. It reduces inflammation. It helps to disrupt the pain signals from injured tissue to the nervous system, and it promotes the regeneration and repair of the damaged tissue. So some of these technologies do some of this directly and some indirectly, and that's the reason why the three together work really well. It also improves your function, your mobility, and your range of motion, either between the three, either directly or indirectly, and it facilitates muscle contraction, accelerates strength gains, and supports lymphatic drainage for overall recovery if that is part of the issue that you are working on that you need.